Maris Racal issue. Abay Maris nagsalita na sa press patungkol sa kanyang saloobin sa isang napaka-controversial cheating issue with Anthony Jennings. But before that, if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe at i-hit mo na rin ang notification bell for more showbiz updates. Bago tayo of course magpatuloy sa ating updates, gusto ko lang po kayong pasalamatan for always keep watching and trusting this channel. Thank you so much at sa palagian po ninyong pagpili sa ating channel. So, 18 minutes ago ay naglabas ng statement si Miss Maris Racal, December 6, 2024, 12:17 p.m. kung saan ay binasag niya ang kanyang katahimikan. Let's watch this.
Go out whenever I walk. I feel like I'm a naked woman walking. Hindi ko alam anong gagawin ko. I'm so embarrassed. Whenever I go out, whenever I walk, I feel like I'm a naked woman walking. Hindi ko alam anong gagawin ko. I'm so embarrassed.
Maris Racal broke her silence a day after alleged cheating issue between her and screen partner Anthony Jennings became viral on social media. In a short clip freshly released by ABS-CBN News before noon today, the actress spoke her heart out in tears. "I don't know where to go. Wherever I go out, whenever I walk, I feel like a woman naked. Hindi ko alam ano gagawin ko. I'm so embarrassed," the actress said in an 11-second clip uploaded by ABS-CBN News on Facebook. Maris and Anthony are the center of internet storm after Anthony's ex-girlfriend Jamela Villanueva posted on her Instagram stories on December 4 the alleged private messages between the co-stars. Anthony recently revealed that he and Jamela split after 5 years of dating Maris. Meanwhile, revealed last July that she broke up with River Maya frontman Rico Blanco. Matapos nga ang sunod-sunod na pagkalas or pagtanggal sa kanya bilang mga endorser na mga product na kanyang ini-endorse, ay napilitan na ngang humarap sa publiko itong si Maris Racal para po basagin ang kanyang katahimikan. Sa video na re-release ng ABS-CBN News, the actress said she was taking accountability for everything. Sabi niya, "Nagkamali ako and I wanna say sorry for everything that I've done," she said. She said that it all started in June this year when she was at a dark place, when she felt brewing attraction between her and Anthony. She said she let herself get carried away by her emotion, and I knew that was wrong. I came clean right away, Maris said, adding that she confessed everything to her ex, Rico Blanco, which led to their breakup. So, lumabas na po yung katotohanan na ang tunay na dahilan ng kanilang hiwalayan ay si Anthony Jennings, sa bagay na dinideny dati ni Maris. Sa kanyang interview po, no, na nagkaroon po siya ng panibagong or bago po lumabas yung kanyang teleserye, ay humarap siya sa press con at sinabi niya na hindi po si Anthony Jennings ang dahilan ng kanilang breakups. Pero talagang time is the ultimate teller. The reason why she was emotional announcing their breakup, Maris said, was because she was holding back the truth. So, ang dahilan daw di umano ng kanyang pag-iyak that time ay yung pagtago ng katotohanan ng tunay na dahilan ng kanilang hiwalayan. Maris said that she told Anthony that she broke up with her partner, and that he told her the same thing. He also said he was single to everyone. They knew even on set. So, pinaliwanag po ni Maris na kaya po pinagpatuloy nila yung kanila pong pagkakamabutihan nitong si Anthony Jennings dahil sinabi nga ni Anthony na break na sila at single na siya. At that time, Maris said she was in a vulnerable place because she was lonely and fresh from a breakup. However, she maintained she didn't know that Anthony was still with his ex-girlfriend Jamela Villanueva. Sabi niya, "God knows, I asked him, nagkabalikan ba kayo?" He said no, she said. She also repeatedly asked Anthony to release a statement to the public announcing his breakup from Jam, but it wasn't until last week that he did. Kaya pala di makapag-release ng statement dahil sila pa pala this whole entire time. I didn't know. I was in the dark, Maris said. Jam recently rocked the internet after she took to Instagram stories to expose Anthony's alleged cheating with Maris, sharing screenshot for their conversation on Instagram. Maris said that when she saw that now viral screenshot, she was shocked and truly embarrassed. Na nakita ko na mga tao yung without my consent against my will. That's her side of the story, and there's nothing wrong with that, she added. But this is my side. Maris and Anthony made waves for their tandem as Irene and Snoop in the series Can't Buy Me Love, and the two are part of the upcoming Metro Manila Film Festival entry, and the breadwinner is starring Vice Ganda. So pinapalabas po ni Maris dito na kaya po sila nagpatuloy ng relasyon nitong si Mr. Anthony Jennings dahil inamin nga ni Anthony or sinabi nito na single na siya at break na sila nung kanya pong girlfriend. Now, without knowing, parang lumalabas dito na ang pinaka-biktima ay walang iba kundi si Miss Maris. Yun po yung nararamdaman ng mga netizens. Sa kanyang statement na inilabas, sabi niya na parang hindi niya alam na ongoing pa rin ang relationship ni Jam. Pero kung pagbabasihan po natin ng mga screenshots, bakit po sinasabi ni Maris dun sa screenshot niya na magbura ka ng konbo? Diba? Kung talagang alam niya or wala siyang knowledge na talagang nagpapatuloy nga yung relasyon nitong si Jam at ni Anthony Jennings. Dahil dito ay marami po mga netizen ang nag-react sa TikTok. Sabi niya, wag mong idaan sa iyak, Maris, mag-sorry ka na lang. And then sabi pa, face the consequences, te. Ginusto niya ni Anthony yan, panindigan nyo. Dimsly, apakagaling talaga ng actress na si Maris. Sana nung ginawa pa lang nila Anthony na embarrass na siya, just saying. Ayun, so ganun katindi yung ilan sa mga komento, no? Dahil talagang pinupulutan po at talagang usap-usapan po ito ngayon sa social media at nagte-trending. Lahat po ng mga netizen ngayon ay nagbibigay ng kani-kanilang saloobin patungkol dito. And sabi niya, Diyos ko Maris, dapat naglabas ka na lang sana ng statement at dapat nag-apologize ka kay Jam kasi pag ganitong umiiyak siya na live, sabihin lang siya na magaling umiyak dahil artista. So, base po kasi sa mga videos, para tuloy lumalabas na umaarte si Maris dahil nung una pong interview niya, nung breakup issue nila ni Mr. Rico Blanco, ganyan din yung kanyang mga actuation, lumuluha din siya ng bongga noon. Sabi po ng isa pa, funny how she embarrassed now pero did not even feel any guilt while sending those dirty messages to Anthony. The audacity sis. Yan. So, kaya talagang ganun talaga sa mundo po ng social media, di ba? Talagang kahit ano pong sabihin po ninyo, ang nahusgahan na siya pero kailangan niyang gawin to dahil ang karir niya na po yung naapektuhan. And then sabi ni Ezra, smoke then, but I'll touch myself na lang. You miss my body, but I like being held by you. Ugh, yung amoy ng sweater mo, I want baby kisses. Maris Racal 2024. So, yan yung ilan sa mga litanya ni Miss Maris Racal na talagang nagte-trending. Halos lahat ata ng mga content creators ay ginagawa pong joke ang mga messages na ito ni Maris kay Anthony Jennings. So kayo po, ano po ang inyong saloobin patungkol dito? Comment down below.